How to set a timer on your iPhone camera. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. You have two main options, taking a photo or recording a video. I'll walk you through both. Setting a timer for photos 1. Make sure you're in photo mode. 2. At the top of the screen, tap the upward-facing arrow or simply swipe up on the screen. 3. A menu will appear at the bottom. Look for the timer icon, a small clock. Tap it and you'll see options for a 3-second or 10-second timer. Select the desired timer length and press the shutter button. 6. Your iPhone will count down. 3, 2, 1 before snapping the picture. Timer for videos. Unlike with photos, the iPhone does not have a built-in timer for video recordings. If you swipe up in video mode, you'll notice the timer option is missing. However, you can still work around this. Simply press record, let the video run, and trim out any unwanted parts later. To edit, go to the Photos app, select the video, and tap Edit. Drag the trim handles at the beginning or end to adjust when the video starts and ends. Press Done, then Save as New Clip to keep the edited version. This method allows you to achieve the same effect as a timer, without needing one built in. Hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks!